Use Label Magic offline mode to access your labels without an active internet connection. Navigate to Settings, Label Magic, and change the Work Offline drop-down. There are 3 options to choose from here. Disabled Online Only uses Label Magic online only. This means you can only access your labels with an active internet connection. Enabled Offline Only uses Label Magic offline mode only. This means when you open Label Magic, it will not be connected to the internet. Enabled Prefer Offline uses offline mode as the first port of call, so Label Magic will open in offline mode. Labels must be synced to Label Magic before using an offline mode. To sync labels, switch to Enabled Prefer Offline with a valid internet connection. A sync will happen automatically if this is your first time switching to an offline mode. You can also prompt a sync at any time by clicking the sync icon in the top right. Here you can view the date of the last sync that occurred and prompt another sync by clicking Start Sync. Labels will then begin syncing so you can access these without an internet connection. The sync will save all labels pinned to the Label Magic home screen, so please ensure you have the appropriate labels pinned before beginning the sync. You will see a progress bar for the syncing progress. If you would like to sync all labels, not just the labels pinned, you can select to sync entire library via Settings, Label Magic. Please note that clearing your cache and cookies will require a resync of labels. Syncing is also device specific, meaning they sync to the cache of one device. If you would like to set up a prompt to resync your labels, you can do this in Settings, Label Magic, and input how many days you would like to refresh the resync. Once synced, you're now ready to access your labels offline.